how do you set up the right incentives to motivate and influence people? Let's discover it with an example. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. This is the situation. We have a group of high school students that has to go from door to door to collect money for charity. We split the group into 3 subgroups. One of the groups gets 10% of all the money that they collect. The second group gets 1% of all the money that they collect. The third group gets nothing. All the money goes to charity. Then guess which of the 3 groups collected more money? It is actually the third group, the one that got no money for themselves. They were doing it because it was the right thing to do. It was linked to their intrinsic motivation. So as much as possible, rather than thinking about the carrot or the stick, think about something that will inspire the intrinsic motivation of the people. Social incentives like a praise, a gift, some feedback are usually more effective than monetary incentives, especially with friends. Another useful tip is to give a choice of incentive. If your team achieves the result, then they have the option of getting more money, or going on a vacation to the Bahamas, or have a few additional days of vacation. And then people can choose the one incentives that they find more appealing to them. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.